Hi guys, welcome to the functional overview demo of challenge 2999. This is the part 4 challenge of visitor management system by Preview Labs. So in this challenge we have been asked to modify the existing code provided, and the three points which we should consider while implementing or changing the code. So let's see one by one. Upon Visualforce page load, query the SAM for an existing event invite. If found, display the information in read only. If not found, then it should be the same behavior as in current version. So that means if we find any event invite, then we will show resend email button, check boxes in enable status so that user can select whom to send emails and whom whatnot. But we will not show create access request because event invite request is already present for that event. So let's see that. Quickly create the meeting. I have two contacts for which I have set my email ID. Tim. I'm selecting Tim and John. Weekly meeting. Let's see. This is a standard Salesforce meeting request process. I'm sure you are all aware about this. I'll get the meeting request for both of them. Two meeting requests. In this challenge, we decided that we should send this request tokens to all the invitees, even though they have not accepted the meeting request. So let's not accept them. Just schedule the meeting on the prescribed time. I have scheduled the meeting. Okay, the meeting is scheduled. Let me quickly get over this. Yeah. Now if I go to the meeting page, I have a generate meeting tokens button. Now as soon as I click on the generate meeting token button, when the page is loaded, we will call the event invite using external ID, that is the event ID of this event. And as there is no event ID, it will ask me to select the VMS zone or the meeting location. From the discussion forum, we agreed on that once the location is set, we should not allow user to change it. So I'm select the site one and setting the location. Now here is my display of the first situation where the event invite is not present for my particular invite. So if you see, the access request is not requested, the email status is not sent with a beautiful icon, and you can select or unselect the invitees, and the invitees are from whichever invitees are added into the meeting, not necessarily the status is accepted. It can be new, and you cannot change the location now. The site is fixed for location is fixed for site 1. So this is the normal behavior which fulfills the first point. I'm now creating the access requests. Also, I want to mention here that earlier we were refreshing the page whenever we click on create access request and everything, but I have now changed it to the Ajax and provided a nice beautiful spinner and everything, so user will be able to know when the request is started and it is finished. So as soon as the request is received successfully, the QR code and access token is granted, the email status is changed to email is sent to invitee with a changed icon which shows the email is sent, and the whole information goes into the read-only mode. So let's see if we receive the emails or not. Yeah, we received the emails with meeting code and access token. as we are supposed to get for both the invitees. So this completes, no, it's not yet complete the first thing. Let's just close that page and revisit that page. Let me remove these two meeting tokens, so when we resend, we should be able to see if we receive the resend emails or not. Now I'm again visiting. This is the second situation, or in discussion board we say next day situation, where the event invite is present for this particular weekly meeting. So what should be the UI in that case? Let's see that. Yeah, in this case, if you see here, the access request is granted because we already have the event invite for this meeting, but the email status we don't store yet for this challenge, so it is not sent. And as the email status is not sent, you can resend the emails. You can obviously select or unselect to which invitees you want to resend the emails and which are not, so the checkboxes are given. So let's click on that resend emails. So as soon as I click on the resend emails, it resends the emails and goes into the read-only mode. And I received 2 meeting tokens with QR codes as I'm supposed to get. So this completely fulfills the first, also the second, because during the initial creation of the event invite, when the response is received back from same, it automatically sends the emails. If you see the video, it automatically sends the email when you click on the create access request. It does not again ask for sending the email. So this is what fulfills the second requirement. The third requirement is coding conventions using best practices. If I quickly show you the code, I'm pretty much using the best practices where I have commented, oops, I'm sorry, I need to go to setup. Where I'm pretty much commenting my code wherever necessary. There are no unnecessary debug logs present. The information about our main logic are given properly. The code indentation is very well placed, so readability is high. Whatever new methods I have added, I had put the description for those. And if you run the test cases, earlier it was like around 80 or something. I had changed it now and increase the test coverage with proper test, which uses test start and test stop and asserts at proper places. So if we run the classes and if I check the test coverage, it's almost 97%. So you should not have any problem at the time of deployment at all. So I think all the 3 requirements are fulfilled. I think this is it for functional overview demo. For the proper error handling, I had already uploaded error handling in my previous challenge, but still I might be creating one more video to show the error handling we are doing for this challenge. So thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.